arteriovenous malformation. This is a case of 32 years old serving soldier who presented with swelling and discomfort over the distal forearm, wrist and palm of the right hand. On color Doppler, there were tuft of vessels over the wrist and palm of the right hand, and they were reaching up to the head of the metacarpals. These vessels showed a low resistance pattern of flow as is seen in this image. They were getting the supply from the radial and ulnar arteries, and they were draining into the deep veins of the forearm. The flow pattern in the radial and ulnar arteries of the right hand was a low resistance flow. As can be seen in this image, both the arteries have a very low resistance flow pattern, as can be deduced by the high flow volume during diastole. Compare the previous image with the normal left hand. The left hand radial and ulnar artery waveforms are of high resistance flow pattern. That is a normal pattern. So here we are seeing a case of arteriovenous malformation, which are getting blood supply from radial and ulnar arteries. They are draining into the deep veins of forearm and hand, and the resultant shunting of blood is causing low resistance flow in the radial and ulnar arteries. Thank you.